The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be televised, and the revolution will not fail. Sorry, I had to put that in there. I had one of my subscribers tell me that I look like Gil Scott-Heron, so had to throw that into the video. But first off, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you're watching this video, thank you for watching this video. And this is my yeared update video. I'm on week 23 of my yeared. And first off, I want to just say I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. I hope y'all had a good holiday. And I hope y'all have a Happy New Year. Hope y'all bring in the new year right. And I hope y'all have a prosperous 2019. But my yeared update, what is there to update on my yeared? Not really much to update. Amazon still hasn't said anything. Missed a couple of days of taking the multivitamin again. But there's not really much to update. Amazon still hasn't said anything. Kind of dodged, kind of been bobbing and weaving, dodging, trying to make sure they don't really notice. But eventually it might happen as this gets longer anyway. And what else is there to, not really much to update. And this video is more like a reflection video on 2018. First off, I want to just thank y'all for just being subscribed to me and just putting up with me. Like I said, I didn't really have like a subscriber goal when I first started doing YouTube. I was just going to document my year journey, show show y'all what I'm doing throughout my journey to maybe motivate y'all to grow y'all beards, and maybe y'all get ideas or advice on how to grow it and how to take care of your beard. And it's been a cool year. I mean, I think I can really scratch YouTube off my bucket list, as I did YouTube. I got subscribers, and it's been awesome. And I thank y'all for that. I thank y'all for just putting up with my weirdness and my quirkiness and my uniqueness, because I'm pretty out there when it comes to being weird. So just thank y'all for putting up with me. But yeah, it's been an awesome year. It's been an awesome journey in terms of just like meeting a whole lot of YouTubers, and it's just been an awesome journey, period. Like I met a lot of cool people. I mean, I met like Dan C, the Beard Dream, Beard Times with Scott. I mean, I can go on and on. No BS Reviews, Darius Lumpkin, D Hyde, Beard Existence, whole lot of YouTubers. The Beard Dude. I mean, Beard Talk with Matt. I mean, Papito with the Beard. There's a lot of YouTubers, and I wish y'all nothing but the best in the upcoming year. I hope y'all hit y'all subscriber goals and whatever you have planned for your channels. And I don't know what I have really planned for my channel. I'm still doing beard product reviews. I just haven't been doing them because I just been bullshitting, to be honest. Like I need to actually do some reviews, because I got a couple of companies sent some stuff out to me, and I need to get them done. But I really don't have like a New Year's resolution. Like my cousin used to say, my New Year's resolution is to not have one. I used to always laugh about that, but I don't really have like a goal for the channel or subscriber goal. I'm just gonna like put out videos and just put out the best videos I can. I guess that's like pretty much a goal, just to put out the best content that I possibly can put out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's just been awesome the past almost 6 months, because Monday actually is my 6-month mark on my yeared. So actually New Year's Eve is the actual day where I hit 6 months. And to christen the 6-month period, I got the Beardscape. I got this as a gift to myself, and that sounds kind of weird, but I did buy this for myself for my beard. And I'm not gonna really unbox it. I mean, y'all probably seen this on YouTube anyway. I've heard good things about this trimmer. I mean, ceramic blade, 4-hour full charge. The battery can last up to 4 hours. What else? Design, 5 speeds, extra quiet, quick charge. You can charge it in 3 hours. I'm not gonna really get into the whole unboxing of this, but this is what I got myself for Christmas. This is really all I wanted for Christmas. And when it comes to like gifts and stuff, I'm a very simple person. So, and this is very simple. So, I cannot wait till I use those. And I can't believe I'm actually saying I can't wait to like trim my beard. I don't really want to trim anything, but you know, just split ends, that's it. But what else is there to update on the beard? It's coming in pretty good. You can see it's kind of puffed out a little bit. I kind of been picking it out. I haven't been brushing it now. I normally just I just pick it out now and just rock with that. But yeah, it's not really like much to update this time around. This video is really kind of like I said, a reflection on 2018. Don't know what goals I have for the channel. More likely probably going to end up doing more reaction videos, beard product reviews, of course. And I don't really have like a goal, like subscriber goal. Like if I could double what I have now, that's considered a good accomplishment. And I've heard, you know, people tell me that you can have like 1,000 subscribers and all that stuff. And I believe that, but I mean, that's something that I don't really aim out to do. I put out these videos really for me to learn, you know, from what I'm doing wrong when it comes to growing a beard and to help others along my journey. Maybe there's a video that they watch and it helped them, you know, with their growing their beard out. So, I mean, that's pretty much why I do it. I mean, kind of to like motivate people to grow their beard and to have fun with the channel too, to have like, you know, funny reactions and all that stuff. So yeah, I don't really see, you know, what's going to happen in the future in terms of my channel. I'm just going to keep putting out videos and try to put out the best ones I can. And I can honestly say that I've made a lot of strides, and I've had a subscriber tell me that they could see my progression in my videos. And matter of fact, it was a subscriber. His channel name is Simple Man. Shout out to you. Thank you for, you know, mentioning that in the comments. I really appreciate that, because I could kind of really see the progression in my videos from my very first one, where I'm moving the, you know, phone and I'm looking direct, you know, looking at myself on the screen instead of looking into the lens and, you know, all that stuff. So I think I've made huge strides in terms of like doing videos. And my advice to people who thinking about doing YouTube or want to do YouTube, do it. Because I don't care what it don't even have to be a beard product channel. It could be a vlog, whatever. I mean, that's like, when you have a Gmail account, you automatically have a YouTube, and you can do whatever you want with the channel. You can do gaming, entertainment, fitness, how-tos. If you want to do YouTube, do YouTube. Do not let nobody tell you that you can't, because you could be the next big thing, and you would not know that because people are kind of steering you the opposite way. So if you have a desire to do YouTube, do it. Fucking do it. Like, don't let nobody tell you otherwise. And if you decide to do YouTube, I might end up doing like videos on how to do YouTube, but I'm not really one for that. If anybody would do a video on how to do YouTube, it'd probably be Dan, because the way his channel's grown. But my advice, if you want to do YouTube, do it. You better have a thick skin, because you're going to deal with people that just don't want to see you do good at all. And it's unfortunate, but that's just how life is, unfortunately. But if you have a desire to do YouTube, do it. You might find that you have a hidden talent that you did not know about. So, but as I reflect on 2018, I've met a lot of cool people. I really have. I've met awesome companies. I mean, awesome owners, beer company owners. I've met a lot of like cool people along this journey, and I did not think that would ever happen, and it has. And shout out to the Beard Dream and Rain Townsend and Dan C. Man, when I first started doing YouTube, those were the first 3 people that subscribed to my channel and kept telling me, man, just do it, just like stick with it. Especially Dan and Tom. I mean, you guys are awesome. I mean, I don't think I could have really did it without really y'all like kind of pushing me to do it. And they'll reach out and give me advice and, you know, tell me, hey, you know, keep growing the beard and all that stuff. And it's been a cool journey, man. I've met like some cool YouTubers that I never thought I would meet. Like I never thought I would like be talking to like Bearded Existence or Darius Lumpkin or D High. I just always watched these channels and was like in awe of these channels. Like you could call me like kind of like a beard groupie in a way, because those are channels that I watched and was like in awe of these guys because of their videos. Like, and you know, same with Dan C and, you know, No BS Reviews and Scuba and all them guys. Like I would watch these channels and be like, man, you know, it'd be cool to kind of like meet these people. And I have, you know, like it's been awesome. It's been an awesome journey, and I don't see it, you know, ending anytime soon. This beard is not going away. It's like you have to really kind of, I had to be forced to like get rid of this. Like it'd be hard for me to get rid of this beard. Like I understand like if you have to like shave it because of the job and all that stuff, but it's like this is taken away from my self-expression. Like this is what makes me me. Like separates me from everybody else. So it's been a cool journey. I wish like everybody like a prosperous 2019. I hope all y'all accomplish y'all goals or what you have planned in terms of like 2019, what your dreams, your goals. I also want to give a shout out to Uncle Donnie. Dude, I mean, you're killing it right now, man. I mean, like I said before, man, like I honestly really see your products in Walmart or Target someday. And I hope it happens for you because your products are that good. And I'm not just saying that. I truly mean that. I really honestly hope that you really, you know, reach that pinnacle of like your stuff in like, or either on Amazon or somewhere. I do see your products in somebody's store someday. And I think it will happen. It's just a matter of when. So, and I also want to give a shout out to Savage Heart, aka There's a Snake in My Beard, aka Marcus Hart. Dude, I'm proud of you for starting your business. I know I was pushing you to do it, and I'm glad you're starting it and you're in the beginning stages, and you got potential to do great things too because of the stuff that you sent me, the pine tar soap and the oil, and I don't know what else you have, balms, butters. I don't know what you have in store. Please don't tell me what you got in store because I'll put that on Instagram in a minute. And yeah, so don't keep it a secret. But I really wish y'all two the best, man. Like I with Uncle Donnie, man, it's been kind of like awesome with where he's come, you know, how far he's progressed in terms of his business. And I'm anxious to see what Marcus does and where he does, you know, where his company, you know, where he ends up. And I think he'll do well. And I'm like I said, I'm all for somebody, man. Small businesses, I'm all for it. You know, starting your companies and all that stuff. Like that's awesome, man. That is fucking awesome. And I wish y'all nothing but the best. To anybody who's starting a beer company, I wish you the best as well. I mean, I don't know other company. I know there's another company, the Bearded American. Wish you the best as well. I don't know if you wanted me to talk about your business. I apologize if I spilled the beans, but I wish you the best as well. And to anybody who's starting to do YouTube, I wish y'all the best on doing your product reviews and doing your videos. I just wish y'all nothing but the best. Like, man, I don't like I said, I don't wish bad for nobody, man. Like I want to see everybody prosper and fulfill their goals and do what they want to do in terms of YouTube or starting a business. I wish y'all nothing but the best for 2019 and going forward in your lives. And yeah, that's pretty much like my reflection on 2018. It's been an awesome like journey. It's been awesome documenting my year journey. It's been awesome getting, the subscribers, and like I said, I didn't really envision getting subscribers. I was just gonna like document my journey, and if it motivated somebody to grow their beard, then I accomplished my goal pretty much. So, and it's been great. It's been just that great of a journey, and I'm gonna have an awesome time trying to christen these in sometime next week. I don't know, really, honestly, I don't know when I'm going to use these, to be honest, because I'm not really having no issues with Amazon. They haven't really said anything to me about trimming it. Now, I might want to clean it up a little bit to make myself look a little bit more presentable, but I haven't really been giving a damn, to be honest, in terms of my trimming a beard. If somebody says something to me at my job about, having to shape it up, I will, but for the most part, I just been rocking with what I have, the natural look. I haven't really tried to shape up anything. And yeah, but I'm gonna have fun christening these in. And I'm gonna have, I been wanting these for about a year now, and I finally got them, so happy about that. But man, it's been awesome. And I just want to thank y'all for subscribing to me. And like I said, I wish y'all a happy new year, a prosperous new year. I hope, healthy new year, just everything good, spirits. And with that, I'm going to sum up this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. And happy new year to y'all. I'm out. Peace. Cut the camera off, Sean.